Hi everyone, I'm Miss Danny and I am the school nutritionist for Forest View and Hope Valley. So some of you might have seen this picture before and it might be new to some of you, but this is a picture of MyPlate, which shows our 5 food groups. We sort foods by how they keep our bodies healthy and feeling good when we eat them. Each food group has a food group friend, and we're going to talk about the foods in those food groups and we're going to do some movements. Jane Grain is our food group friend. She's made up of lots of different grain foods. So we're going to take a look at Jane Grain, name some foods, and do some jumping jacks. Ready? Bread. Bread is a grain and it gives us energy. Jumping jacks. I see noodles and pasta. Those are grain foods and they give us energy. And I see rice. Rice is a grain food and it gives us energy. Good job doing jumping jacks for our grain foods. Now we're going to talk about protein. We have our food group friend Dean Protein. Protein foods help us grow and heal our bodies. So we are going to stretch like we're growing when we talk about protein foods. Take a look at Dean Protein. I see chicken. Chicken is a protein food and protein helps us grow, so stretch, stretch. I see eggs. Eggs are a protein food. Proteins help us grow and heal, so keep stretching. And I see beans. Beans are a protein food and beans help us grow and stretch. So stretch for protein foods. Good job. We're going to talk about our 3rd and 4th food group, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables work together to help us eat a rainbow, and that gives us lots of things our bodies need to feel healthy. So when we talk about our food friends on Reggie Veggie, and the vegetable group, we're gonna jump up and touch a rainbow. So look at Reggie Veggie. I see a carrot. Carrots are in the vegetable group, jump up and touch a rainbow. I see broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable, touch that rainbow. And spinach, jump and touch that rainbow for our vegetable group. Good job. And our fruit group is Farah Fruit. Ready? We're going to duck under our rainbow for the fruit group. Apples, duck under your rainbow for apples in the fruit group. Fancy watermelon shoes, duck under your rainbow for some watermelon in our fruit group. And kiwi, duck under the rainbow for kiwi, it's in the fruit group. We're going to talk about some of the foods on Mary Dairy and do some lunges to be really strong. Yogurt is in the dairy group. Do some lunges for yogurt. We also have milk and soy milk in the dairy group. So do some lunges for milk and soy milk. And we have cheese in the dairy group. Do some lunges for cheese. That's awesome. Now we've talked about our 5 food groups.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Kia. So Miss Danny just took us through our 5 food groups, and we want to make sure that we eat foods from all 5 food groups every day. I'm going to show you some foods and we're going to figure out which food group the foods belong to. And then we're going to do the same movements that we did before with Miss Danny. Are you ready? Ready to help me figure out what food groups to put these foods in? All right, let's see what our first food is. Can you see that? What are those? It's bow tie pasta. And pasta is a grain. So do you remember what we do for grains? We're gonna do some jumping jacks because you need a lot of energy to do jumping jacks, and grains give us energy. Wonderful job. Let's look at another food. This is broccoli. What food group does broccoli go into? It's a vegetable. And so for vegetables, we are jumping and touching the rainbow. That's right, jumping up and down for vegetables. All right, let's look at another food. We have an egg. Eggs are in the protein food group. And so for protein foods, we are going to stretch and grow, because protein foods help us grow. Let's look at another food. We've got a really large container of yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy food. So for dairy foods, let's lunge. Do some lunges. Awesome. Let's look at one more food together. It's fall. That means there are lots of apples, and apples are a fruit. That's right. So let's do some squats like we're ducking under the rainbow, right? Because we want to eat a fruit and vegetable rainbow. We are ducking under the rainbow. Great job. Let's look at some meals that have foods from different food groups in them. Can you figure out what foods belong in which food group in each meal?
In this breakfast, I see banana from the fair fruit group, toast from the Jane grain group, and eggs from the Dean protein group. In this lunch burrito, I see tortilla from the Jane grain group, orange and yellow peppers from the Reggie veggie group, and meat from the Dean protein group. And last in this dinner, I see rice from the Jane grain group, beans and fish from the Dean protein group, plantains from the fair fruit group, and green cabbage from the Reggie veggie group.
Next time you eat, see if you can figure out what food groups you have on your plate. Well, I hope you enjoyed another fun Wellness Wednesday with us. Bye!